Hi guys, lot of coaching classes, lot of students think that getting the good score is the only thing you need in the CAT exam. कि बस CAT का score लेके आ जाओ तथास्तु सब पाप साफ हो जाएंगे. But unfortunately that's not the only one. CAT score is one of the 15 things you need to clear the cutoff and get a call from IR or finally to join the IIMS. So let's go through the list of all the things. So number one obviously is your CAT score. So aggregate, this is the cutoff given taken up from one of the IIM side. I think I'm Kozhikode side. So General Engineer 85 percentile, the minimum required to get the call. This is the cutoff used to prepare the first shortlist. The scores of these are for those called for interview were actually higher than this. This is the bare minimum required. Yeah. OBC, ST, SC, that's the number one thing is your aggregate CAT percentile, 99.5, 99.1, all those things. Yeah. Number two is quant cutoff, DI logic cutoff, verbal cutoff. So these are four things to be looked at. CAT score is just one of them. So total there are four things to be taken care of. Yep. Overall CAT score, aggregate CAT score, quant, verbal, DI logic. So four things are taken care of during the CAT exam. If you fail in any one of them, you are out. So you might be hearing your friends or somebody talking here and there on Quora saying that I couldn't get a IIM call even 99.4 percentile. So there's a very high possibility that he might have scored very less in one of the section. That's why he could not get the call. So 4 pointers are covered here only in this table. I'll explain this table in a separate video, but today's agenda is something else. Next is your academic record. Your academic record means your 10th, 12th and graduation score. 3 more points. So 4 point earlier, 3 point more. So total point, this is pointer number 4, pointer number 5, pointer number 6. Yeah. Sorry, point number 5, 6 and 7. This is the 10th marks, 12th marks and graduation marks. For example, let's look at IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore is giving 20% weightage for 10th marks, 10% for 12th and 20% weightage for the graduation score. So overall 50% weightage is for a 10-12 graduation and only 40% is for your CAT exam. Imagine that where out of 100% marks for which you're going to get a call from IIM Bangalore, CAT percentile weightage is only 40%. Rest everything have already been taken care of. Yeah. So these are your pointer number 5, 6 and 7. Pointer number 8 is work experience. So what I've done is I've taken the average of all the IIMs here. So on average 43% weightage is for academic record, 4% weightage is for work ex. That is my pointer number 8. Yeah. Now a lot of weightage is given for the academic diversity as well. If you're non-engineer, you are getting extra marks. Yeah. So 4% weightage is for academic. And number 9. Number 10 is gender. 2% weightage is for the gender. So these are the 10 pointers which are required to consider for the getting the score for qualifying for the IIMs. Pointer number 11 is your category. So your open category, your reserved category, that category also does matter. Yeah. For example, open category student, even 80, 80, 85 is not enough to get the call from the IIMs. For a SC, OBC category student, even 65, 60, 60, 70 is enough to get the call from IIMs. Yeah. So number 11 point is which category you belong to. Obviously that also matters here in this thing. So now we got a call from IIM at pointer number 11. Now we move to the pointer number 12. Once we get the call from the IIMs, we have to go for the GDPI. And for the GDPI, we have VAT and PI, two separate pointers combined together here. Yeah. So VAT and PI, this is my pointer number 12 and pointer number 13. Alright, so if I take an average, VAT weightage is 9% and PI weightage is 22% in your final call conversion at most of the IIMs. Yeah, this is the average of all the IIMs. You can check out all this data on cetking.com/IIM. I've given the complete data about this thing. I'm going to make more videos about this because this is something you need to know so that we can prepare accordingly. So CAT is just one of the things. Other things are also counted. Pointer number 13 ho gaya. Point number 14. IIM Kozhikode have a 10% weightage for the resume and 20% weightage for the essay. IIM Bangalore is going to make you write a SOP. Yeah. So these are the extra things which a lot of IIMs have now introduced. Okay. So that is your pointer number 14. That this is a star here. Now point number 14 may or may not be required everywhere. Yes. Point number 15 is, which is the most important thing I feel, is the motivation. 2.4 lakh people fill CAT ka paper, and how many actually appear for the exam? Only 2 lakh. 40,000 people vanish on the way for the CAT to the CAT exam. Obviously, they don't vanish. Daro mat, no one will kidnap you on the way. Is they don't even turn up for the exam. They feel so pressurized that they just leave the exam altogether. Yeah. So motivation is the 15th point, and this is where I come into picture. I'll take care of the motivation part in this channel. So do subscribe to the channel if you have not that yet done so. Yep. So ask about if anyone tell you I couldn't get the IM call because of this and that, there are 15 things required total. If you miss any one of them, you might be a god, but if you are not motivated enough, you might not get the call. Yes. So these are the 15 things required to go for the IM. So if you want to ask anybody now, will I get the IM call? Please check out all 15 things. Then only decide whether he'll get the IM call or not. Because everything have a weightage. Everything have a weightage. And I've given all the weightages here in this link, cetkking.com/IIM, for getting the call, number 1 part, and then part 2, round 3 for converting the calls. So you can check out the link in the description box. So we are launching the program at CET King for books, mock, shortcuts, everything you need to know, you need for the CAT exam. So you can just call us on any of the numbers given below, and my team will be more than happy to help you out. All right, all the best.